30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 4. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is part 4 of my 30 part video series. So this whole video series is about showing you how to make $100 per day online in different ways. This is actually super exciting because you can do this from anywhere in the world and you don't need any experience. So we will jump into it in just a second, but before, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment, especially if you are into making money online and working from home. This really helps me out with the algorithm, so please do these 4 things, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description as well. I have some free courses. I have $1 course, I have my coaching. Check all of it out. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, what you're going to be doing is different surveys. Okay, so can you make $100 per day with surveys? You can if you will combine all of these websites that I'm about to show you. Okay, so if you will just sign up for one, do a survey here and there, you won't be making anywhere near $100. But if you will sign up for all 10, because I will show you 10 top websites, you can definitely go from $0 to $100 per day, again combining all 10 of these websites. Okay, all of these are free to join, and they will just email you whenever they have a new survey available. So as you can see, swagbucks.com is the first website I have for you. It says put cash in your wallet. So guys, you're going to be taking different surveys, and they actually have a bunch of different tasks that you can do as well. So you're going to be earning free gift cards and cash for everyday things you do online. So you're going to be earning points, and then you can redeem these points and get PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, etc. So PayPal cash is the option that is definitely the most exciting. So you're going to be earning points for shopping online, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and finding great deals to earn your points. So guys, again, watching surveys or answering surveys is just one of the things you can do. You can watch videos, you can play games, you can search the web, you can do a bunch of different things. They actually paid out $500 million to their users. So this is something 100% legit. They have some testimonials right here, so feel free to check it out. As you can see on Trustpilot, they have 4.3 as a score, so a super high score. Again, swagbucks.com. Check it out. That's only the first website. I have 9 more to go. Website number 2 is dailyrewards.com. So guys, as you can see, you will even get a $5 bonus just for signing up. Okay, so if you're gonna do nothing else but just sign up, you will get $5. Just enter your email and create your password right here. You're gonna be rewarded for taking surveys, playing games, and getting deals. So again, service is just one of these things that they will pay you for. So the brands pay them for consumer input. You are the consumer, obviously. They recruit members like you. You do online activities like, again, taking surveys, watching videos, shopping, and more, and you earn real cash. So they've been featured on BBC, on Yahoo Finance. Again, all the information is right here. You can sign up for free and even get $5. So again, probably one of the easiest way to make money online and work from home. Number 3, I have opinionoutpost.com. So you're gonna get paid for your opinion. So again, surveys is what it is all about. Earn rocking rewards by taking surveys in your spare time. You can try it for free. Here's how it works. So again, you're gonna be making money via PayPal, a Visa payout, or an Amazon gift card. You're going to be joining and sharing 3 simple steps, and as you can see, they pay out $390,000 every month. So absolutely crazy. And again, all you have to do is just share your opinion. You don't need any experience or tech skills for this. Next up, I have livepointspanel.com. Okay, so as you can see, I'm connecting from Portugal, so this website is in Portuguese. Wherever you're going to connect from, it will actually be in your language. And same exact thing, this is a surveys website. Just click on this button right here to sign up, and they will send you all the information and all the surveys. Next up, I have getkettle.com. So this is actually an app, and you can do the whole thing from your smartphone. So earn easy money and cashback rebates. You can start earning. As you can see, we have Google Play, we have the App Store. So let's click on start earning. And as you can see, you can make money in minutes. So Kettle is a free app that allows you to earn cash by responding to surveys, purchasing products, providing reviews, and more. So again, a bunch of different ways you can actually make money with this. You download, you earn, and you redeem, earn $20 or more select cash out, and they will mail you a check. So they are working with Coca-Cola, with Campbell's, with Danone, you know, so big companies. And again, service is one of these things, so super simple to make money with. Next up, I have Qboard.com. So again, where your opinion counts. Just give your opinion and make money, help companies deliver better products and services, and get paid doing this. So again, super simple, take surveys, earn rewards, and get paid. You're gonna be getting different gift cards, and I believe PayPal as well. So they work with Groupon, Amazon, Best Buy, Esso, you know, all of these big companies, even Foot Locker and Starbucks. So super easy to make money with, and again, you're working from home, so you're not really wasting time on going somewhere, etc. Next up, I have PrizeRebel.com. As you can see, you can sign up in 10 seconds, make money online now, complete paid online surveys, earn points, redeem them for cash and gift cards. So we have Visa, Amazon, MasterCard, Apple, we have PayPal, and Zalando. I'm not sure what Zalando is, probably some payment processor. So how this works is they are looking for members and survey takers. You're going to be giving your opinion on market research surveys, and you're going to be earning points and then redeeming those points for gift cards and PayPal rewards. And PayPal obviously means real cash into your bank account. So that's PrizeRebel. Next up, I have InboxDollars.com. So again, just for signing up, you're actually going to get a free $5 bonus. You're going to be watching videos, taking surveys, and you're going to get cash offers. They actually have a little video explaining all of this. So this website will pay you for taking online surveys, watching videos, playing games. If you're a gamer, play games and make some money. Coupon cash rewards, getting paid to read emails, and even cashback for online shopping. So they actually paid out 59 million in cash. And as you can see on Trustpilot, they have 4.5 stars. So, you know, super legit. $5 sign up bonus. So if you're gonna sum up all of these bonuses, you already made $10 just for signing up. So that's InboxDollars.com. Next up, I have LeggerOpinion.com. So guys, as you can see, you can actually download the app on your smartphone, App Store or Google Play, and they have different rewards like PayPal, Visa, Starbucks, Uber Eats, etc. So they actually have different contests where you can win extra money for all of these surveys. Obviously, doing this on your smartphone is even easier. You just have to click on love, hate, or rate, whatever shows up, and you're just gonna give your opinion. So definitely a great app to have. And lastly, I have number 10, Vindale Research, Vindale.com. You're gonna get paid to take surveys online, free, get started. You can watch the video. This is one of the big websites out there that actually pay you for your opinion. So they have easy online surveys, millions paid, 7+ millions already paid to the members. You're gonna get paid cash, not points, via PayPal. So again, some of these websites will give you like gift cards. This is real cash via PayPal, and you can take surveys on home and on the go. So again, you're making money online, working from home. So these were the top 10 websites I have for you guys. Please sign up for all 10. As you can see, sign up and earn $1. So here's an extra bonus for you. Again, please sign up for all 10 of these if you are actually serious about making money online, doing surveys. Guys, this is something fun that you can do in your spare time. And again, you're working from home, so an absolute no-brainer. Before you go, again, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. It really helps out with the algorithm, so you can watch more of this video and I can produce more of these videos for you guys. So check out all the links in the description as well. I have all of my online tools that I'm using to make money online. I have my free courses, I have my coaching. Check all of it out, and please watch all the rest of the videos on this channel. Again, this channel is all about making money online and working from home right now in 2021 and beyond. So see you in the next video. Ciao.